afternoon to esteemed judges. We are the students of Samudra Tibetan School. Today we are going to explain our model, which is named as water level indicator. This model is made by our students of class 9th. The purpose behind of making this water level indicator is to conserve water by stopping the overflowing of water through tanks in schools, offices, malls, etc. The working principle of water level indicator is our water level indicator work by using sensor probes to indicate the water level in the storage tank. These probes send information back to the control panel to trigger an alarm. Our water level indicator has many applications, such as our water level indicator can be used in hotels, pools, factories, offices, schools, etc. Similarly, it has many benefits, such as it is easy to install, it has very compact design, it is easy to install, it is automatic and ensure no overflow of water, and it is time saver too. Now the question arises, does it have any future scope? So our answer will be yes. Yes, it has great future scope. By adding Wi-Fi, we can just simply control it through a mobile phone, and then it can be used in malls, offices, schools, etc. And it is a great scope in agriculture sector too. The idea of this making water level indicator we got from the CC activities which are held in our school on the occasion of World Water Day. Thank you. Now my partner Ridhima will explain how our water level indicator model will work.
Now the material that are used in the water level indicator model are transistor, resistor, LED, buzzer, wire, plug, pipe, tank, motor, battery and switch. Now the construction of water level indicator. So we have used a transistor. The left one is the collector, the middle one is the base and the last one is the emitter. We also use a resistor which will resist the overflow of the current, and we have connected it to the emitter of the transistor. We used a LED. This one is the cathode and this one is the anode. Cathode is connected to the resistor and anode to the positive rail of the cardboard. We have used a buzzer. We have connected one wire to the transistor and another to the positive rail of the cardboard. For modify our model more, so we have used a motor and connect a pipe to the water tank, which will provide the automatic water service to our tank. So we are going to the water is pouring inside the water tank slowly and slowly. At the 25%, the first LED will get light up. So you see that the first LED light up. We know that the tank is approximately filled up to 25% in our tank. So at 50%, the second light up. We know that the tank was half full. At the 75%, the third LED light up. So you see that at the 95%, the buzzer make a beep sound which indicate that our tank is full. We are controlling our model as because it is manually, and we also take time to switch off, and in the future we can also make it automatic instead instead of manual. Thank you.